Money for Nothing by Dire Straits has two scenes, the intro part and the verse and chorus parts. I start off with the intro by playing the G minor. I've got the 73 key Nautilus, and I've got the octave up button right here. So I just start off with the G minor chord, and I turn down timbre 3 and play this note, the C, and raise that up. So to stop this, you can either press switch 1, or if you assign one of your quick access buttons as the compare button, you can do that. And that stops that step sequence for timbre 3. When you play the G minor, it's a slow synth, so you get all sorts of harmonics coming out. So it's a motion synth. These notes have velocity triggered digital basses, so you have to play them hard. And if you play it softly, it'll only trigger the slow synth. The upper part of the keyboard has the lead sound. And when you press switch 2, the chords will bend up. Up to here. Okay. And after the intro, you can go to scene 2 with a digital clav. And when you play it, you get this. And when you use the joystick, you get the vibrato. You can also use the damper pedal, and that does the same thing. Up here, we have the phased organ, which is played towards the end of the verse. And that's a G minor 7. And you play the chorus up here as well. And on the D, you bend and go joystick up or use the damper pedal. And those were the sounds for Money for Nothing by Dire Straits as part of the Nautilus Session Gig covers, available at narfsounds.com.